For many beginners, the market can feel overwhelming. That's why Market Mindset University was created to make trading simple. Starting out, the market can feel intimidating. MMU was created to remove that fear. We break down the essentials, mindset, risk management, and candlestick basics so you can develop confidence without fancy jargon, gambling, or stress. With MMU, you have a clear path forward, a 30-day journey that develops your trading mindset, psychology, and skills. You'll gain self-reliance with each new lesson. Without a structured foundation, most new traders go into the market blind. They experience frustration, blow accounts, then chase hype, strategies, or purchase expensive courses. In the end, most quit. At MMU, you can avoid this vicious cycle. Start with clarity day one. Here, you won't be alone. Our beginner-friendly courses follow a clear roadmap, and behind the animation are real people who care.
Thank you for watching. Now you know what we're all about. A clear roadmap with people who care about your success. Ready to trade smarter? Start with the orientation. We'll meet you there.